Yes. So yesterday we discussed operators, right? So today we have a conditional statements in TypeScript. Today we are going to be discuss the conditional statements. So if you know already a Java or C Sharp .NET, so there is a control flow statement here. Conditional statements. Conditional statements. So conditional statements are nothing but when we want to control the or when we want to execute a block of code by validating a specific condition, we use these conditional statements. Conditional statements. See, when we want to execute the block of code after validating the specific condition. After validating the specific condition, we use these conditional statements. Okay. So, in a TypeScript, these conditional statements we have. The first one is if statement. If statement. Then second one is if else statement. Third one is else if statement. Else if statement. Okay. Fourth one is nested if statement. Fifth one is switch statement. Okay. So today our concept is conditional statements. So when we want to execute the block of code after validating the specific condition. So by using these conditional statements, we have to put some conditions in our TypeScript. So after validating that condition, if we are supposed to execute some block of code, we use this. So let's see how can we use this if statement. So if statement, if we want to put in a TypeScript or JavaScript anywhere. So if is a keyword, then define the parenthesis. Here you have to define the condition. So if this condition is going to be a true, so then we have to execute the specific block of code. So like this. See, if is in a condition. So if is a condition, so if this condition is a true, then we allow the execute this block. If this condition is not true, we can't allow this execute the block. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So very simple way. I will give you one small example. What it means. So in India, who is going to be eligible for voting?
Ability, yes.
Write a program. Find eligible persons for voting. Write a program. Find eligible persons for voting in India. So tell me who is eligible for voting? Who are having the ages more than 18, right? Age greater than or equal to 18, then that person is eligible for the voting. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way. So when I want to put a specific condition, if I validate it, then only if I want to execute the block of code. So like this, by using this if condition we can. So how we are going to be write that is, so we need simply a VS Code editor. So here I'll create one folder as a conditional statements. So under my conditional statements, so I need a one TypeScript file. Eligible persons of TS. So I want a one file for writing the TypeScript program. So see this. So I have a one variable is let age number equal to. So I'll give a one number randomly like a 25. So if my age is 25, am I eligible for voting or not?
Yes, you're eligible.
Yeah. So age greater than equal to, or it is a equal to the 18. So I need a output is console.log eligible for the voting, whatever the age we are given, that age variable. So like this. So when I'm going to be getting this specific output, when my age is greater than 18 or equal to the 18, I'm getting this specific output. Is it clear?
Yes, brother.
So irrespective of anything, so I need a one statement like a end of the program. So when I get this end of the program, so if I'm getting this particular output or not, by default we get the end of the program. Is it clear?
Yes, brother.
Yeah. So if I want to simply run this, so simply copy the path, TypeScript executor, path of the file and run. So see this, when I'm supposed to finding the, am I eligible for voting? Yes. Eligible for the voting, 25 years. So I suppose if I give a my age is 15 years, am I eligible for voting?
No.
No. So see this, what I'm getting? Sorry. TypeScript executor, the path of the file. Clear. So what I'm getting? Only end of the program. I'm not getting the specific block of statement, right? Because of my age is below the 18. When my age is more than 18, then only I will get it this output. If my age is below 18, I'm not getting anything. Is it clear?
Yes, brother.
Yeah. But even if my age is below 18 also, I need some output. That time what I want to do is, in a conditional statements, we have a one more conditional statement
Else.
is if else statement. So if else statement is nothing but, so when we are supposed to execute some block of code after validating a specific condition, so if that condition is not a true, I need a one default output. Okay, so that time we use this if else. So first I will put the if this condition is not a true, without validating anything, I need a specific block of code without checking any condition like this. Is it clear?
Yes,
If
brother.
else statement, if condition, the specific block. So if this condition is not a true, by default I will execute this. Or if it is a true, I'll execute only this. I'm not execute this block. Is it clear?
Yes, brother.
Yeah. Manoj, from your side, are you able to understand?
Yes, Bharat, it's clear to me.
Yeah. So simply put a else block here. So I need a output console.log not eligible for the voting. Not eligible for the voting, that age. So when I'm not eligible, if my age is below 18, I'm not eligible, right?
Yes.
So see this, as of now, my input is 15. So here I'm not eligible for the voting, end of the program. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Or if I'm supposed to give a my age is, if I'm supposed to give a my age is 550. So see this. What is the output we are getting? Eligible for the voting. Is it correct? What is the
Yes, Bharat.
maximum? What is the maximum age? What is the maximum age? One human being. Max 120. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So that time I'll put a logical operator. Age is must be less than or equal to 120. That time only I need eligible for voting. So if my age is more than that, so that time what is the output here we are getting? Not eligible for the voting. Is it correct?
Yes, Bharat.
See, when I enter the 550, it is showing the not eligible for the voting. Is it correct output? No. When I need this not eligible for the voting, whenever a human being age is 1 to below 18, that time not eligible. But if a user is enter the more than 120 below 1, that is a invalid data, right?
Yes, Bharat. Narrated.
So that's why what can I want to do is, so in these statements we have a else if statement, right? So this else if means after validating a if you want to put a one more condition, so at that time we use else if. So else if statement. So this else if statement, how we are going to be put it is syntax. So see here, if the condition is a true, I need this particular block. I need this particular block. If the condition is not a true, again I want to put one more condition, then we use else if. Even this condition is true, I need this specific block. Even it is also a not a true, I'll put else. Online, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So this scenario, what I want to do in our program, when I'm going to be getting not eligible, here I need a condition, right?
Bharat,
Yes.
for this program already there, no? So you gave the 550 now.
Sorry?
You gave 550 now. Is
Yeah.
then you're not. It should give the end of the program now.
See, when I'm giving a 550, here I'm not putting the any condition, right?
You're not putting any question. Okay, we got it.
So if I'm putting a condition, then it is not allow the execute. If I'm not putting any condition, by default it allow the execute this block, else block.
Okay, okay, well, got it.
So that's why only now I am putting the if else if age is 1 to below 18, it means up to 17, not eligible for the voting. By default, if any user is going to be under more than this, so that time what I want to do is so console.log invalid console.log invalid age number. Like this, I need an output. Is it clear?
Yes, but not clear.
So when I get the invalid, when a user is under more than 120, below 1, invalid age number. Or if I'm supposed change this input as a 10, what is my output?
It will give not eligible.
Not eligible for the voting. Or if I'm supposed to give a my age is 73 years.
Eligible for voting.
Yes. See, are you able to understand when we are getting this specific block, when we are getting this specific block, when we are getting this specific block?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. The same way, we have a one more program. Same way, we have a one more program. Like is, so write a program, find grade based on marks. write a grade based on marks. So if you're a student having the 500 to 600, 500 to 600, I will give the grade as A. Like this, my output. So if any student is going to be getting the marks 400 to 400 to up to below 300, below 300. So then I want to give the grade as B. Then same way, if any student is getting the marks 300 to below 200, grade is C. If anyone having a marks 200 to below 200, below 100, grade D. Who are having the marks 1 to up to 100. So that time I will going to be pass the fail. Is it clear requirement? Avinash and Manoj, are you able to understand?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So for this, how we are going to be write a program? Very simple. Create a new file, marks.ts. So here, just take a one variable like a let marks number equal to. So my marks are 450. So based on my marks, I'll going to be give the grade. So that time what I want to do, if marks greater than or equal to 500 and marks less than or equal to 600. So that time I need output console.log grade A. I need output grade A with the marks. Is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. If I'm supposed to put a one more if, again else if marks greater than or equal to 400 and marks less than 500. I'm not putting less than or equals to. I'm putting less than 500. It means up to 499. Console.log grade B marks. Then else if marks greater than or equal to 300 and marks less than 400. It means 400 means up to 399. Console.log grade C with the marks. Again, if you are supposed to put a else if marks greater than or equal to a 200 and marks less than 300 up to 299. Console.log grade D with marks. Okay. So finally, if I'm supposed to put a one more condition, else if marks greater than or equal to 1 and marks less than up to 200. So it means 1 to 199. Is it clear?
Bharat.
Sorry?
Yes, Bharat, clear.
Yeah. So my status is fail. So when I have a 1 to 90. So see this. Select marks 450. What is the grade I have? 400 to up to 499. I am going to be providing the grade is B. So this is the condition going to be satisfied. So here conditional statements are nothing but when you are supposed to execute a block of code, conditional statements are nothing but when we want to execute the block of code, after validating the specific condition, we use the conditional statements. Okay. So in TypeScript, when we validating when we validating a specific condition before running the block of code, that time we use these conditional statements. So tell me, what is output now? If my marks are 450, what is my output? Grade B. Avinash?
Grade B.
Sorry. So this is my path. So see this? Grade B 450. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So, or if I'm supposed change here, my marks are 150. What is my output? Fail 150. Is it clear? Online.
Yes, grade E.
Yeah. Manoj, do you have any questions, Manoj? Why you are so silent?
No, Bharat. I'm good.
You are good, Manoj.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you are supposed to write a like this, multiple conditions, so this is called as nested if statement. Is it clear? When you are supposed to put a more than two conditions, so that is called as nested if. But if any user going to be enter the 900, what is my output? If any user going to be enter 900, what is my output? You are not getting anything, right?
Greater
Yes.
than 500.
Sorry,
Yeah,
Manoj.
Yeah, you are not getting. You won't get it.
We are not getting because of the reason we are going to be validating the 1 to 600, but more than 600, less than 1, we are not giving any block of the code, right?
Bharat. Then what will output will get?
From the last, after a last condition, you can use else. Else means without validating anything, I need a default output. So what means?
Okay. If we don't write anything, means then what it will give, Bharat?
Sorry, if it is not giving anything. See, just now we are executed. It is not showing anything.
Okay, got it.
Invalid marks. So with that marks. So see this, when I enter away, my marks are 900. So now what is my output? Invalid marks 900. Is it clear? So this is the way we can able to write it the nested if statement. So first I am showing the example. Now you have to take a syntax. So nested if means when we want to put a more than one condition, yes, that is called as nested if statement. The syntax of that is if condition, so if this condition is true, I'll go execute this block, or if that condition is not a true, again I want to put the one more condition, one more block, then else if again condition, again I want going to be putting the block like this, again else if, again I am putting the block. So like this we can put a number of conditions, there is no problem. So and also finally if you have n number of conditions, finally without checking any condition, if you want to give a specific output, you can use else block. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. And also, but are we people are going to be putting a conditions only one by one, or we have to put a inside the conditions also? Yes. So when I have a marks 500 to 600, I'm going to be giving the grade here, right? But if I want to divide it this into two types, if I want to divide it this into two types, like again, if my marks greater than or equal to 550, my marks greater than or equal to 550, I'll give a grade is A plus. Or else if marks less than 550, I'll give A. This is the way. Inside the if condition also, we should have to put a one more again if and a else if. Like this, you can write n number of also, even the inside also. Are you able to understand?
Yes, Bharat, got it.
So here you have to change as a B. So when a person is 450 or less than 450. The same way, even here also. If our marks are 350, I'll give C plus. If my marks are below 350, I will give C grade. So similarly here also. If my marks are 250 or greater than 250, I'll give D plus. Or it is a less than 250, so then I'll give only D. So final one is I can't change anything. Invalid also I can't change. See, are you able to understand? Inside the if we can put again if conditions. So this is called as nested if. So see this guys, when I'm supposed to execute our program, so 900 is invalid. But if I have a marks are 575. If I have a marks are 575. What is on my output? When I have a 575, what is my output?
Sorry, can I come in?
When I have a 575, what is my output?
Should be grade A.
So now tell me, what is my output now?
It should come on the grade A.
Grade A plus.
Grade A plus. So simply run this. So see this, grade A plus 575. Okay, guys, are you okay with white color?
Yes, Bharat, it's fine. Anything is fine.
Yeah. So black color అయితే మీకు సరిగా అర్థం కావట్లేదేమో అనిపిస్తుంది అందుకని.
White best.
So now I hope you are able to understand it now.
Yes,
So
Bharat.
if I change my marks are 345. 345. What is the grade we have? 300 to up to 399.
C.
385. C. C grade. Grade is C 345. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So like this, we can able to write a number of conditions in a TypeScript program. So this is called as nested if. Okay. So if you have to put a single condition, if statement, or if you want to put a one condition and one default block, else if. When you want to put a more than one condition, else if. Okay. Then when you want to put number of conditions, nested if. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
The same way, we have one more thing is switch statement. So this switch statement is also a similar, but here there is one difference. When you use a if statement, else if else, or nested if, we can use operators, but switch we can't use operators. It directly going to be validating the expression. Based on the expression, it's going to be given the output. So inside the switch, so we have a cases, case 1. So if this case is true, we'll get a break. Then case 2. If this case is true, then we'll get a break. So like this, we can write n number of, then finally we can put default. So same similarly, case 1, one condition, case 2, second condition, or case 3, case 4, like that we can put n number of, and default we get one block. So this is nothing but it is a switch. Clear? So very simple way I will tell you. So yeah, first I will write a one program. So like what means write a program, find week name based on number. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
I have a one program, write a program, find a week name based on number. Okay, so how many weeks we have? We have
52.
week, so Monday, Tuesday,
Like days, 7 days.
yeah. So write a Java program, find week name based on day number. If you are going to be confused. So under these conditional statements, so here, so see this. So first, when I want to suppose to know the name of the week, first I need a one variable. So let day number. So I'll assign the day, data type is day number equal to. So my day number is 4. What is the day we want?
Wednesday.
So Wednesday.
Yes.
So see this. I don't know what is the day I'm getting. So that's why I switch based on my day number. I need a specific block of output. Like if my day number is 1, I'm expecting the in my console dot log is Monday. Is it clear? So then we'll get the break. So without putting a break, first I will show you. Then case 2. It means if my day number is 2. So what is the output I want? So what is the output I want? Tuesday. Yes or no? Manoj and Avinash, any questions?
No, Bharat.
So console.log Wednesday. Case 4 console.log. So if my day number is 4, I want Thursday, right? Then if case number is 5, console.log Friday. If case number is 6, console.log Saturday. If case number is 7, console.log Sunday. So like this I'm see based on my day number I need the specific output. So finally if my day number is not match, default I need a one output, console.log invalid day number. Is it clear? So irrespective of this switch block, I am going to be write the outside that console.log. So end of the program. End of the program. Okay. So see this, guys. If my day number is 4, we are expecting the day is Thursday, right?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. See this, when I'm executed my program, what is the output we are getting? TypeScript executor, the path of the file, and run. So what I'm getting? So see this, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, invalid day number and end of the program. But we people are expecting the only Thursday. I'm not expecting the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday and invalid day number. Right? We are expecting only Thursday when I enter 4. Or if I'm supposed to change the input, like my day number is 2. So if I execute again one more time, so see this, what it is happened. Executor. So see this. If I given a day 2, we are expecting only Tuesday, but we are not. We are going to be getting the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and invalid number. But Monday we are not getting. It means when my day number is matched, any case, after that remaining all the values we are printing, right?
Bharat.
Yeah. So when you are supposed to control that, or when you want to put that condition, so by using a break statement, we can. In every case, you should have to put a break. So the break going to be stop the execution after it is going to be printing. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So like this, you have to put it a break. So after default not required. So now see this. If I want to run that, you need to copy TypeScript executor, the path of the file. So I already defined the break, right?
Yes, Bharat.
So I think here I'm not putting semicolon. Yeah. Now we people are successfully getting only Tuesday when I given a day number is 2. Or if I'm supposed to give a day number is 5, what is my output? What is my output? Only Friday. So now, based on my input, I'm getting the successfully whatever the output we want, right?
Yes, Bharat.
So this is the way we people are going to be write the Java program or TypeScript program or JavaScript program using a switch case. Everywhere is same.
Bharat.
Yeah.
But we can write this if also, like if else statement also. No. Then why
Yes,
switch?
we can write if else also.
Then why switch is there?
So switch is also a one conditional statement. So for your understanding purpose, this example I explained here.
Okay.
Okay. So here you have to remember one thing. When you are using a switch block, here we are not going to be put the any operators. Whatever the thing is exactly you are giving, based on that we get the specific output. But
Okay, got it.
so in a nested if and if we can put operators, we can verify in between the numbers. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. So I hope guys, so from the last previous classes, we already discussed what is the variables we created. Okay, and operators. Now we discuss the conditional statements, and you know what is TypeScript, how to execute TypeScript. These things, right? These all are the basics. When you are good with here, so write a program like a so write a program like if we have a AC. So what is the maximum temperature of AC to cool the room? Or when you have a AC, what is the below temperature of air without cool air room? So you should have to take the like that as some conditions, and you can get it as some output.
Okay.
Yeah. So and also by using a switch you have to try it, and reverse way also you can try it. So whatever the program I explained in a switch, the same program you can try to convert into the nested if.
Okay.
So in the nested if I explained the marks grade, right?
Yes.
Yes. So that grade you don't try in a switch because of switch is not verified any in between the ranges number. It is going to be verifying only the exact number. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why you don't want to go to any other examples. You have to try it how we are writing a if, how we are writing if else if, and nested if, switch, these things. So next class we can discuss loops. So once if your loops are done, I will tell you multiple examples on interview oriented programs. Okay. So based on your interview, so sometimes some interviewers are going to be asked reverse your number and a palindrome number, prime number, Fibonacci series, factorial numbers like that. You may be expect from interviewer side. So I will tell you those.
Okay.
See, without loops we can't do anything. That's why tomorrow session we can discuss a loops. That time we will discuss those.